Make a food swap. Tips to reduce belly fat.
16. Make a food swap. Most times you can speed up your belly fat reduction process by substituting something healthier for something full of fat in your favorite recipes. By doing that, you'll be preventing that fat from settling in your belly and reducing that dreaded fat. Start with the following changes. When you prepare your curry, use plain yogurt rather than coconut milk, which is full of fat. You'll get a good, creamy texture, but you won't have all the fat. Trade 2 slices of bread for 1 piece of pita bread. Folding a piece of pita bread will allow you to put more vegetables on your sandwich. More vegetables make it more filling, and you'll succeed in making a healthier sandwich. Supplant red meat with lentils. In foods such as lasagna, only use about half the amount of ground beef. Use red lentil in filling because it is packed with protein. It is fat-free, and high in fiber. Its flavor is neutral, so it will just absorb the flavor of your sauce and you won't notice the difference. Consume the turkey versions of your favorite meat. You can have turkey ham, turkey burger, turkey hot dogs, or even turkey pepperoni. Turkey isn't near as high in fat as other meats. You'll have the flavor of the other meats without that added fat to carry around.